Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your relationship and career situation, guys, I have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy, so you can stay tuned for that guidance, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Knight of Suns in reverse, Page of Suns, Seven of Moons in reverse, Moon in reverse, and Ten of Suns. So in your situation, guys, Aries, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are maybe it may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. Maybe you love this person, you want commitment with this person, and you are expecting commitment or you want to move towards that. But maybe for some reason this person is not reciprocating the same feelings towards you. Maybe they are holding back, they are thinking, they are not telling you the answers, or maybe they are not interested in a firm commitment. The reason maybe this may be a new relationship for some of you, but for some of you maybe this person is not interested in a deep connection. Maybe they are here just to have fun and they do not want a permanent relationship or a committed relationship. So they are thinking whether to move forward towards that. And maybe you are making these decisions or you are assuming this because you feel that they love you, the words they speak, the honeyed words, the love-filled words. You need to understand that it may be just the way they are. They want to express their love towards you, but when it comes to commitment, they are taking a step back. So you cannot trust this person. Maybe you cannot rely on them. Maybe, guys, not right now. But this person is loyal. They love you. They are faithful to you. But if it is commitment, they are taking a step back. Maybe they don't want to jump too quickly into some kind of a conclusion. Maybe, guys, for some of you, that is the reason they are holding back, maybe. And if you, or maybe they are taking suggestions from someone close to them. So they have their friends suggesting them what needs to be done today. That may be the reason they are waiting. They want to decide for themselves first, guys, Aries. And maybe even in your work situation, whatever you expected may not happen, but you are someone who is really determined and strong, headstrong. So you are working towards your dreams and goals. And maybe sometimes, Aries, too much concentration on your dreams is not going to help you in any way. So you need to see the practical reality, what is right in front of you. So if you are able to move towards things in a practical way, handle your situation more practically, you are going to see a great change in your career situation and also in your relationship, guys. So though you have dreams and goals, you need to be present in your situation, otherwise you are going to land up in some difficulties. You will be making some mistakes, so you need to be careful, guys, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity in your relationship and career situation, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your pick a card love reading, guys, today we have two cards each. So this is your pile 1 and this is your pile 2. So I have two cards, one card relating to your relationship and the second card for your career situation, guys. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first pile after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first pile. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose these two cards, the first card is for your relationship and the second card, this is for your career situation, guys. So let's see what is the first card for your relationship. It is deep knowing. So with this card, it just means that in our relationship, maybe sometimes when we meet someone, even at the first time, we will know that we will feel a deep connection with that person, and we will feel in our heart of hearts that this person is going to be a part of our life and they are going to play a meaningful role in our life. So sometimes when we cross paths with someone in our life, guys, maybe that person may be a stranger, but still we will feel a great familiarity and we will feel a connection at an impossible level, and that person leaves a mark in our life and we will feel a calling to that person, something pushing us towards them. So you need to understand that your intuition is guiding you today, and also the appearance of this card just means that whatever you intuitively feel about this person you are in connection with is the right thing, guys, and you need to trust your heart and you can go according to your intuition, and it is only going to take you towards the right path today, guys. So for those who chose this pile, this is the guidance for your relationship. So for your career situation, guys, we have this card, building blocks. So with this card, it just means that we have everything that we need to make iron into gold, everything into success. So it is time to build a strong foundation with a greater prosperity. So all you need to do is that build the strong foundation with the building blocks of our positive intentions, our dreams and goals, whatever we have. So when we build our career based on these positive intentions, we are going to reach abundance very soon, and our creativity is divinely inspired and it is going to take shape for the best for us, and we are always meant for success. When you have this positive intention towards your career situation, you are simply going to succeed, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. For those who chose this card, the first two cards, that is the reading. So, for those who chose the second set of cards, the first card is for your relationship, guys, turquoise, and this is for your career situation. So, with this card, it just means that in your relationship today, you need to understand that you would have you have a story of your relationship, and that story would have changed over time. You have grown so much, and you have accepted your role, and you are being really brave, courageous. You have acknowledged the mistakes that you did, and also the remarkable work that you have done in this relationship, and you have healed from the past, learned so much in this relationship. So, reframing what has happened is taking you towards a greater wisdom and strength. And if you are looking for a good relationship, you need to rewrite the story. If you want a partnership that you simply dream of, you must not only focus on the shortcomings or challenges, but also you should never forget your strength and whatever you have given for this connection, for this love, or for any relationship for that matter. So, you need to reconsider your story so that you can rewrite the best one for you. So, it just means that you have to remember all the positive things you have done in any relationship instead of brooding over the past and worrying about all the mistakes or negative things that has happened, guys. So that is the energy with this card for your relationship. So let's see what is the energy with this card for your career situation, guys, for those who chose this card. It just means that you are the person who will draw your own picture in your life. So whatever you need to do, it is right in front of you, guys, and you have the power to make everything work for you, magnify your abilities, and create a positive situation for you. And you are going to handle your situation in a much better way today. And maybe it is time you do everything by yourself if you want success for yourself, guys. So you have to use your creative talents to give your life a meaning and purpose, and that way you will be able to develop prosperity, and that is going to help you a lot today, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy here. So if you want success, just like the way you dreamt, you should be the one who draws that picture. So it is in your hands, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.